In this video, we're going to focus on how we can convert the legend styles into a circle and make them very small, as you can see here. Because we have the ability in Chart.js to extend this to a certain amount or to shrink them all to 1 pixel. So let's start to explore how to do this. So let's start to explore how to make circles smaller in the legend pointStyle in Chart.js. So what we're going to do here, first of all, is to go to chartjs3.com, getting started, and this link you can also find in the description box below the video. So scroll down here and then just copy this default code. Once we copy this, and if you want to understand what this code does, make sure you watch this video here that explains it all. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just paste that in here. And once I did that, I will just cut out the title here, replace this title with that. Alright. Save this, and there we are. So now we have a bar chart here, but what we want to have is basically those circle point style. So first of all, to make it more appropriate, it would be very nice if we have a pie chart with those items. So what I'm going to do here very quickly is just convert this into a pie chart, adjust the width of the box, and then here I'll just say pie, and finally just remove the scales because a pie chart doesn't have any scales. We just delete all of that, save that, and then refresh. There we are. So now we have this here, and what I want to do now is to focus on the legend boxes here. So where is it exactly? Well, first of all, the legends is located in the plugins. So basically in the options, we have to say here plugins because it's considered a plugin, and then we are indicating here the legend, and then after that, what we really want to do is to adjust these circles here, or basically this is what we call the legend label. So I'm going to say here the labels, and then in here what we want to do now is to pinpoint the style, the point style. However, what we want to do first is to indicate that we want to convert this rectangular into a different shape, which is for us the circle shape. So what we're going to say here, we're going to say use pointStyle, and we will set this on true. The moment we do this, you will see it will convert, and luckily for us, it will convert to default of a circle shape. So if I refresh here, there we are. So now we have this nicely activated, but of course, how can we make sure that this is a bit smaller? So to do that, we're going to put here a comma, and then what we're going to say here is the box width. And the box width controls basically the width of these boxes, or basically these point styles. So what we're going to do here is, for example, we can say a 10 pixel box width. If I save that, refresh, you can see it has become a little bit smaller. By default, it was set on 20 if I'm not mistaken. There you are, and you will notice that it will not go smaller than that or bigger than that. So but we can go very small. Let's say we're going to put 2 pixels. Save that and refresh, and there you are. You can see here now we have a very tiny circle. And then of course you could do maybe 5 pixels. Save that, and there we are. So with this we can control the item to make it smaller. But the biggest one is about 20 pixels. So you cannot go bigger than that. So if you enjoyed this video and maybe you want to learn, for example, to make multiple different shapes instead of only a circle, I have another video here that covers how to use multiple point styles in the legend in Chart.js, which you can see here. We have one is a square shape, and the other one is a line, which is suitable for a line chart, and the other one would be very practical for a bar chart.